G'day everybody, welcome. Today we are unboxing the DJI Osmo Nano. Now, we did purchase this. This is not sponsored by DJI or anything like this. This is because what I plan to do with this is using this on a theme park ride, because there are theme parks where you're not allowed to film on or you're not allowed to have handheld devices. This thing here, I can strap on my wrist, make it look like a watch. And hey! So for me, this just seems like a no-brainer for someone who films theme park rides. If you are interested, you can jump over to my other channel, which is Rides and Vibes, and check it out through there. And you can have a look at all the theme park rides and all that sort of stuff that we do go on. We also go on theme park adventures. So do check out, I'll put that in the link down below. But here we go, as always, let's open this bad boy and see exactly what's inside, how this box looks, and that side of things. This is just the standard combo. So it's no diving or anything like this. It's just the regular standard combo which is available. I did purchase, or I was given by my partner who bought this for me, the 128 gigabyte version of this as well. Probably don't recommend getting the smaller version because you might as well just spend the extra 20 bucks and get the higher version of this one here. All right. So here's the box. It's just like a regular Osmo box. It's just got that nice crisp feel to it. It actually is really small, just fits in the palm of my hand. As you can see, Nano on the front. It does have what accessories it does come with on the back. On the side just tells you a little bit about the device, and that's pretty much all the box. But let's get into it. Ooh, that's the inside. So you've got a box and you clearly have the little devices on the side there, so that all fits in nicely, which is the reason why it's nice and tight in there. It does have another little thing in there. It's just the gel and that. Now it does have the DJI forum, does have the scan code there, and also the DJI store as well. The forum's a really good place if you have any issues with your devices and you're not too sure of what to do. Just jump over, scan that QR code, and it'll give you a bit of an idea of, hey, how to fix up a device like a broken battery or it's not working properly. It just gives you a bit of an idea of what's going on. Also, it does come with some stickers as well. So some nice ones. Bring the memory card. That's a good one to actually put on the car right there, because I'm one who always forgets memory cards or SD cards, always. That's a good thing about this one here. It does have that 128 internal memory. Now that is in here. You can put an SD card in the actual module part down below as well, which is really cool. So what that does is that when you connect it back up, you're actually transferring the files over to the larger SD card as you're filming. And at the same time, you can do it while it's charging the battery for that to that. So that's just one of the things that a lot of people aren't aware of, is what you can do. All right, so let's open up the accessories pack. All right, the first things first, in here, this is just your quick guides and all that sort of stuff, your safety manuals and all that, but we're gonna keep that over there. I like how it's actually in a nice little pouch, not just loose paper all over the place. Once again, the plastic that they use is actually just quality. So this is the suction mount cup. That actually feels really nice. So that's a suction mount cup. Got a nice table for that, and it's actually quite sturdy. I can't. Ooh. That's really good. I'm really impressed by that. Moves up and down really easy. I like that suction cup, that's awesome. Does come with a USB cord, USB-C, 2 ends on that one there, so just 2 USB-Cs. What is in this one? Oh. Now this is just a case for the actual module camera as well. It does have the little nozzle bit, so when you can actually still keep it in the case while you're actually attaching it to the dock thing, whatever the module dock, whatever they want to call it. Now, this is something that I'm going to use in theme parks quite a bit. This is the hat mount, and we can actually chuck it to a hat or anything like that. So gets that nice sort of vision with that one there. I like that there. I think it's really cool. I like it. So I'm actually really excited about that hat mount. Not just that, it's just like a little clip as well. Like it's just a little clip. If I go like that, you might be able to see it a bit closer. So you can actually put this on dog collars and that sort of stuff. So your limit is not just, you know, on a hat or anything like that. So you can put it on your dog, that side of things. I will test that out a little bit, and I will actually put it on my dog. I won't shove it on my dog, but I'll place it on my dog's collar. I might put it on the harness. I've got 2 huskies, so I'm gonna place it on the harness, and we'll do that afterwards and see how it goes. All right. So, just a sticker on how to use it, which is on it. Now, what they are saying is that you can just chuck it on here. So this is your chest mount, obviously. Boom. And this bit here, so the hat mount as well, clips onto this. Now, this is one thing I did not even know it done until just then. So you can actually clip this onto there as the hat mount as well. So that's pretty handy if you don't want to take them off or anything like that as well. So that's handy. All right. I'm gonna use that with my daughter a little bit so she can run around and get her view of that one there, just so you can actually see what it's like. All right. Then we have the module. Oh geez, this is light. Love doing that, love it. There's nothing better than peeling off stuff off the cameras. All right, and now, once again, isn't it nice? This is just so much lighter than I imagined. It really is light compared to, I didn't get the Action 5 or 5 Pro. I've got the Action 4, and I'm actually filming it from above here. That's what's coming down here. And I got my pocket in front of me there too. So, all right. And that's what I'm filming on. And this is basically a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Is basically what it is. I've just put it into the Nano. At the end of the day, everything is basically the same. It's a little bit lighter than the Action Pro, but that also is because you've got that removable battery. This does not have any removable batteries, nor can you use any of your batteries from any of your action cams inside of this, which I feel like that would have been absolutely amazing if you can, but no, you can't. So this one here is charge on the go. So just make sure wherever you're going, you're actually taking like a portable power bank. Now, this actually comes off really easy. Really, really, really easy. And as I do that, you'll see, I mean, if I get that on, be nice. See if I do it. There we go. So it comes with a little bit of battery charge and that sort of stuff. So I'm trying to slide this like you do on the Action camera. You don't, you just lift it. Which means that if that is the case, because that's where the battery container is, that's got a little bit of a seal. So it's not, I'm not going to say this is waterproof because it's definitely not. I think it's just water resistant, and you can tell by that there, because it is just a flick out, not the regular slide up and down like you do with the Action cameras itself. So that's where you can place, just here is where you'll place the SD card, and that is where you're obviously charging it, just there. All right, and then you just clip it down and away you go. Ooh. Now, if you're not aware, you do need to activate your device. That is just one thing you need to do. So just had to do updates on my phone and then update this bad boy so that way we can get it started. So now we are actually on. So magnetic attachment, it is actually just going through the prompts. And basically what you can do, just hit the camera button up the top, hold to power on or off, press once to take a photo and then record. Is basically what's going on. Multifunction Vision Dock, just press and hold power on or off, press it once to take photos or just record. Nice and simple. And that's it for the unboxing. Thank you very much for unboxing this little bad boy for me. Stay tuned for more videos on this bad boy. So just let me know in the comments below what you think about the Osmo Nano. Are you picking one up? Are you looking at picking one up? Let me know in the comments below how you feel and that sort of stuff. But as always, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.